Craving for some Chinese food mga idol? Tara at samahan nyo ako ngayong hapon para sa dim sum cravings natin at Chinese cuisine dito sa Hapchan, Robinsons Tagaytay, Summit Ridge. At ito po yung ilang bestsellers nila na in-order po natin. So this is chop suey, garlic rice, sweet and sour pork, beef broccoli. So we have our hakaw and our shrimp siomai, beef brisket, spare ribs, and chicken feet. Let's go! Quail egg siomai. Shrimp siomai, chicken feet. Sarap, ang lambot. Lalong sumarap nung sinasawa natin sa chili sauce and Chinese soy sauce. Only here at Hapchan. Spare ribs. Sarap. Beef brisket mga idol. Hindi siya ganong kalasa pero pwede na. Lagyan natin ng chili sauce. Ayun, sumipa. Nagkalasa. Harap. Mango shrimp. Para lang ako nasa Binondo. Quail egg siomai. Let's try their sweet and sour pork. Beef broccoli. For our vegetables, mga idol, we have chop suey. And after our meal, we got our dessert. And we have mango sago right here at Hapchan. There you go. Let's go. Mango sago.